Now, if you've been following the Cardano trade with us, you caught Cardano right here at the bottom at 34 cents. If you caught that with us, you are up a good 184% on that trade, but let's say you missed it. Let's say instead, hey Krish, I caught your second video where you gave us another bid opportunity. If you bought that dip, then you're currently up a good 71% on your trade. But then let's just say you missed that one too. Well, in the previous video, I gave you this trade setup. As far as bids are concerned, for those of you looking to trade Cardano, build on the trade, well, I would honestly try and focus on this zone. Anything closer to 76 cents, it's a macro region of resistance now trying to flip it into support. Any dip into that region is going to be a buy the dip opportunity, primarily because of how easy it's going to be to manage that trade. All right, you're going to be close to the 4-hour dynamic. That is a mango trade to be had, the stress-free trade to be had when your bid is very close to your invalidation. That way you're not waiting too long to figure out if this is going to continue or is it time to reposition. All right, let's pause. This is where price was last at. I said, hey, look for a retest into 76 cents. Once again, I drew out an entire green box territory for you guys. I said bid that region because that's going to be super easy to manage. And what did price end up doing? Well, rally, 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 off we go. If you caught that bid, you're currently up 26% on that trade. I'm going through this crazy bull market high right now. Very happy with the positions like Cardano, like XRP, and also a massive congratulations to all of the seedlings out there. For those of you in the Mango Seed program, I've been looking at the chat and man, it is so positive in there. Many of you with some amazing gains. Aaron managed to catch the XRP trade. Blag has been riding Cardano, and this was his comment to me earlier. He says, my account thanks you. Thanks for improving my family's life and well-being. Super appreciated. But there's another comment that literally just dropped. Check this out, guys. Insane. He says, Krish, no pressure. He's like, I'm telling you, you're a genius. In the last 15 hours, I made $10,000 just on the last buy and listening to you. Enos, freaking congratulations. That's huge. When you guys win, it gets me really, really, really excited. Like really excited. I'm going to come out here and try my best to give you guys the best trade setups that I see on this chart and on every other chart. For those of you who are looking to get started the way all of these guys have gotten started, check out the Mango Seed program. I started there. That was ground zero for me. This is how you maximize your profits. It's going to teach you how to catch all of these trades unfold before they even happen. It's going to help you think forward. Now, as far as thinking forward is concerned, what's Cardano going to do from here? Well, in the last video, I actually gave you guys a target range. Let's go ahead and pull those up. All right, this was the target range right here, coming in from around 98 cents, going all the way up to $1.08. So price is currently at our target zone, and the way I usually look at these targets is that once price gets up to these targets, it's only when we start breaking these levels to the upside will I say, okay, Cardano is going to now see continuation on the trend. However, if we actually start seeing rejections right here, I'm saying this is where you can expect the next pullback opportunity. I say the next psychological number as far as resistance is concerned is actually going to come in at $1. Now, even if I zoom out of this chart, I want you guys to focus on $1. Guys, this was a historic region of contention. The fight, the battle between the bulls and the bears happened at $1 even in the past. Look at that $1 region being held as support for months on end. It's only when we broke it here in earnest did, hey, the bear market actually commenced. Cardano fell a good 76% after that. Now, once again, we're back up at that $1 mark. Okay, if there's any resistance that comes in, it's likely gonna come in right here. Now, is there anything else alluding to Cardano wanting to see a pullback here? Yes, there is. Get into the Mango dashboard, app.mangoresearch.co. By the way, we have a new meme filter right here. That seems to be the narrative, this bull run, the meme narrative. So if you guys want to filter out the meme coins now, you can with just one click. All right, click on that and it's going to filter out all the meme coins for you. But now I want to see Cardano. Cardano is not a meme coin. Get down on the list. Look at that. Cardano is top 10 right here. This is based on trading volume. Now you have longs across the board. When you see this on the trend profile, it's saying the bulls are completely, utterly in control. All right. In fact, if you didn't catch any of my videos and you caught the reversals on the Mango dashboard, say you had an alert set on the Mango dashboard, you got an email notification telling you that, hey, Cardano's trend has flipped. Now's the time to be looking at the chart for the next trade setup. At the minimum, you are up 23% on your trade. If you caught the trade on the daily time frame, the daily reversal, which is recommended, I like trading Cardano on the daily. That is my preferred time frame. But that gave you the signal 2 weeks ago. And if you caught the trade based on that, you're up a good 131% on that trade. Okay, now one thing that's suggesting Cardano might be in the zone of pullback is the volatility profile right here. It's expanded to these high red numbers. Every time I see volatility expand this much, it's telling me that, okay, if there's any time that the bulls might be getting exhausted or reaching a level of exhaustion, it might be right now. Now, this is one partial indicator that's telling us that, okay, we could look for a pullback opportunity on the chart right here. However, do not use this in isolation. Always try and combine it with the rest of the TA that you learn in the programs. Your risk management is key as well. Okay, now before I pan out of this, guys, premium video section, I've found a lot of really good trade setups. So yeah, I'll be giving you guys these short trades and I'll be posting it right there. Okay, so make sure to keep up to date with that. Cardano is currently trending on the 4-hour time frame. If we fail to close over $1, okay, multiple failures at $1, I'm saying this is where you can now expect your pullback opportunity. Where to from there? Well, for that, turn on the Mango dynamic indicator and let's go ahead and draw the current midpoint. For those of you who've been trading with me for some time, you guys know just how much I dig those midpoints right there. So the midpoint on the current range is coming in at 87 cents. And by that point, the dynamic should have made its way all the way up to that 87.7 mark. The ultimate easy to manage bid, honestly, is going to be on the 4-hour dynamic support, especially if you're looking to catch this current trend. And why the 4-hour dynamic support? I want you guys to look at this trend ever since it began right here at around 33 cents. We have been trending on the 4-hour dynamic. Every single test of that level was picked up by the buyers. Every single test. If you caught a bid on that, managing that trade was super easy because just in case it broke, you got confirmation closes underneath that region of support. You knew you were wrong very fast. You got to get out with a minimal loss and reposition lower. All right, that's what trading is about. It's always about your risk management. And if you find a system and indicator that's going to make your risk management easy, it is your duty to use it and bring it out for everything it's got. Now, guys, if you're looking to take the trade on ADA, make sure to check out BitUnex's really cool campaign where you're getting $150 for free for a $200 deposit. There's no KYC, there's no country restriction. You can take that to actually put on your trades with or even help practice your leverage trading with it. Okay, I'll be linking the campaign down in the description below. Free money at the corner of the room. Grab it because it ends very soon. How high can Cardano go? Well, we have this crazy cup and handle formation that I brought to your attention a very long time ago. All right, this right here is the measured move of the cup and handle formation. If I go ahead and plot that on the break, where's this going to take ADA up to? It's going to take us all the way up to $2.70, which is those previous all-time highs. All right, so at the very least, guys, yeah, this bull market, I'm looking for Cardano to actually get up to that region. From where prices at right now to that target, that's a good 182% on that trade. All right, can it shoot higher? Of course it can. It's a bull market. Now, when can we expect price to break up to those all-time highs? Well, this is the zone I'll be looking for Cardano to clear out. $1, which is already on my screen, to $1.12. As soon as price starts breaking $1.12, that's when we see the next leg to the upside for ADA. All right, but this right now is the zone of resistance. It's a pretty heavy zone, all right, 11% on that range, but a zone of resistance nonetheless. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the likes. I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.